Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you 10 areas that are must visit when you go to the Dollar Tree. Here we go. The first place I love to stop, my friends, is the where the winter gears are. So the hats, the scarf, the mittens. I love to buy mine at the Dollar Tree. I think it's at a great price of $1.25, and you can't go right wrong. There are a variety of different colors, a variety of different styles and designs as well. And I just love to buy my winter hats here. And when I do go in to buy my hats, I usually purchase multiple colors and make sure I have more than one to last me, a couple of winters. And if you have young children, my friends, this is a great place to get their winter hats and multiple mittens for $1.25 each. No need, my friends, to look into their calendar to see what season is coming up or what holiday is approaching, because if you walk into a Dollar Tree, you can tell right away they have their garden supplies up and in full swing. So you need to go into the Dollar Tree to start your planning for your garden. And I know you guys are getting to know me a little bit, my friends. And if I go into the Dollar Tree, I have to take a look at their tea towels because I love the tea towels that the Dollar Tree brings. They're always so beautiful and they're so inspiring. So all the time, I have to stop in the kitchen aisle to take a look at, yeah, the tea towels. Love it. Beautiful designs. It's beautiful. I always go into the craft aisle, my friends. All the wonderful crafts that Dollar Tree offers as well. Um, I always go and check out their stickers because they have very good quality stickers available in the Dollar Tree, and I like buying stickers to um, use in my planner, and also what I mean, use just for other things. If you do have young children and you're looking for some really nice designs of stickers, the Dollar Tree is the place to go because you can always use the stickers for incentive, right? Or to create a reward system. I love this aisle. Honestly, my friends, it's one of my favorite aisles in the Dollar Tree. Did I say the craft area was my favorite place in the Dollar Tree, my friends? I think it's a close race between the craft and the book area. The book area is a must go when you go into the Dollar Tree, my friends. I just love visiting the book area. They have a variety of different books available. And I mean $1.25 for each of them. Very, very good quality children's book and adults books as well. I even found a couple copies of the Bible, a simpler or couple pages of the Bibles, I should say. But the book area is a must go. I also like to go into the stationery department or the stationery area, my friends, and this is where I would find planners. I would find notebooks to write in, and I also like to take a look at their pens as well. Forget about buying pens at Staples, or what I mean, you could, I guess, but the Dollar Tree has some really cute ones that any child would love. What I love about the Dollar Tree also, my friends, that they always have a nice tablescape setup that they do, I guess, featuring the theme of the month or the year, I don't know, or the season, I guess. And it's just a lovely, lovely set. So I always like to take a look at what they have to offer. This is a beautiful set. Look at this. That is so pretty. Wow. Wow. That is pretty. Oops. One of the areas I also visit is always the food area as well. They do have a variety of different foods available in the food area, and sometimes you find some great finds down there as well. I mean, $1.25 for their stuff is pretty reasonable. However, usually the containers are a little bit smaller when you can probably get it a little bit cheaper at a bigger supermarket and for a larger portion, right? But I always visit the Dollar Tree because I find that also their desserts are really, really tasty. I do have a recipe out on some of the desserts that I've made from the Dollar Tree, so definitely check out, you know, the food area when you go into the Dollar Tree. Ooh. Wow, that's interesting. Right. The health and beauty area is always a place that you should stop at as well. And I like to buy the supplies that I need to do my nails in this area. And I did know that Dollar Tree do sell some makeup, but I was surprised to discover today that they do have elf foundation in their store at some nice you know nice coverage. So this is an area that I have to stop at when I go into the Dollar Tree. Last but not least, my friends, I have to stop in the candy bar department or the candy bar area and get all the chocolate that I need, and the candies. And I mean, it's right at the door to to exit the Dollar Tree. So you know what? You have to stop. And this is an area that I always, always have to purchase something from. So they're strategic in how they place their candies because honestly, my friends, I could never get through this area without purchasing chocolate. So and that's it, my friends. Thank you for watching. And go
Hello,
ahead and
how are
say
you?
it. This is my time
Good,
and
good.
I
Nice,
deserve
thank you.
something better.